Hello everyone, so today we are at the Valle Munnar. It's the famous jacuzzi room tour, the Romanza suite. So this is the entrance to the room, sitting area. From here you can see the balcony and the outside view. So this is the room's living area, one which is open to the guest. This is their walk-in closet. See, a powder room style washroom, followed by the famous jacuzzi, the bathing area and the jacuzzi. You might have seen this jacuzzi in many Instagram reels. This is their small mini bar. A kettle and a coffee making machine. The TV. Now I will take you to the bedroom. So there is another TV, a sitting chair, some fresh fruits, and this is the king size bed. And there is this another washroom, private washroom inside the room as well. The toiletries were there. Every basic toiletry was there. So this is the Romanza suite room tour. Next we'll show you what the outside view looks like. So this is the outside view from your room, even from the hotel balcony. Thank you.